Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're managing a local storefront, maybe an independent boutique or a neighborhood restaurant, you are probably completely exhausted by the endless hype around artificial intelligence. You hear about it constantly, right? But I bet you're sitting there wondering, okay, but how does this actually help my specific store today? Well, that is exactly what we're going to break down for you. We're going to look at why those massive AI systems feel totally out of reach, why the unique data you're already collecting is actually a hidden gold mine, and exactly how you can start building custom AI tools for your shop without writing a single line of code. Let's get right into it.
To really understand where we are right now, we gotta look at a fascinating historical parallel. Think back centuries ago. Society honestly believed that not everyone needed to know how to read and write. If you were tending fields or herding sheep, they thought, why would you ever need written communication? The immense power of reading was heavily guarded, reserved strictly for high priests, priestesses, and monks. Everyone else, they just had to sit back and listen. And honestly, we're seeing a direct parallel to that today. The engineers at these massive tech companies, they're basically our modern-day high priests. Meanwhile, a local baker who just wants to figure out how to sell more croissants is basically left waiting in the pews.
And this quote absolutely hits the nail on the head. Today, AI is in the hands of the high priests and priestesses. It perfectly captures that incredibly frustrating feeling of being totally locked out of the AI revolution. It completely validates why local retailers feel left behind by all the hype. Right now, independent businesses really only have access to whatever generic AI these highly skilled engineers decide to build for them. But just like society eventually woke up and realized we are vastly richer when everyone can read and write, we are right on the verge of realizing that the business world is going to explode with value when everyday managers can step up and help write the future with AI.
Section 1. Big Tech's One-Size Problem. Let's look at why the stuff those modern high priests are building just fundamentally doesn't work for your unique storefront.
It all boils down to a massive economic bottleneck. You see, big tech needs to build a one-size-fits-all model for billions of users. Building an AI the traditional way takes dozens of highly skilled engineers and literally millions, sometimes tens of millions of dollars. If you're a massive tech company with hundreds of millions of users, sure, that investment makes sense. You build one web search AI, roll it out to a billion people, and make a fortune. But that exact recipe completely falls apart for local retail. You have hyperlocal customers, unique inventory, and your own specific way of doing things. A generic one-size-fits-all tech model simply cannot handle the nuances of your specific pizza shop or corner t-shirt store.
But here is where we totally flip the script. You might hear all this chatter that AI requires massive, internet-scale datasets to even function. Actually, scratch that. It's just not true. AI can work incredibly well on modest amounts of data. And guess what? Every single time you sell a slice of pizza or a graphic t-shirt, you are generating super valuable data. The issue isn't that you don't produce enough data. The issue is that you just don't have millions of customers to justify $1 million engineering team. But your daily operations, they are an absolute untapped goldmine.
Let's ground this with a really relatable example. Imagine a local pizzeria owner. Great food, right? But he's constantly dealing with cold pizzas sitting under the heat lamp or totally running out of Mediterranean pizzas on a busy Friday night. Now, by simply running his store, he is generating data, and AI is absolutely brilliant at spotting patterns in that exact kind of data. If an AI can spot that Mediterranean pizzas always sell out on Fridays and automatically helps him adjust his inventory for the afternoon, that could increase his revenue by a few $1,000s a year. Now, some big tech CEO might say, it's just a few $1,000, who cares? But for an independent shop owner, no way. That is a massive game-changing win.
Section 2. Solving the long tail. So how do we bridge this massive gap? How do we actually get that extra few $1,000s into the hands of the 500,000 independent retailers out there?
Well, it starts with understanding what industry experts call the long-tail problem of AI. Imagine a graph plotting out every potential AI project by its value. Way up at the top, the head of the curve, you've got these massive projects like web search engines or global ad targeting. But as you slide down the tail of that curve, you find millions and millions of smaller, highly unique projects. Your business lives right here in this long tail. No giant tech company is ever going to build a custom demand forecasting tool just for your specific corner store. But, and this is absolutely crucial, the combined aggregate value of all these local projects is absolutely astronomical. Just think about these highly specific, totally unique use cases. Every single one represents a missed revenue opportunity for a small business. Maybe you're an accountant trying to track trending internet memes to predict what t-shirts to print next week. Or maybe you're a front-of-store manager who just wants to snap a picture of an aisle to get AI recommendations on better product placement. Generic AI simply won't cut it for this stuff. Even two t-shirt shops on the exact same street are going to be completely different from each other. You absolutely need custom tools. Section 3. Train AI without coding. This is honestly the most exciting part of this whole explainer. Let's talk about how you can actually build these custom systems yourself without a computer science degree or a massive budget.
For decades, the old way of building AI meant writing pages and pages of impossibly complex code. And look, learning to code is great, but as a retail manager, you literally do not have the time for that while trying to run a business. But right now, we are seeing a monumental shift. Emerging AI platforms are ditching the complex code entirely and just asking you to provide visual data. Think of it like the transition from carving stone tablets with a chisel to just writing with a pen and paper. It is a vastly superior approach that makes the whole process incredibly accessible.
Let me show you exactly how this works using a quality control example from a local clothing manufacturer. It is mind-blowing how simple this is. It's honestly as tactile as using a photo editor on your smartphone. Step 1, an inspector just takes photos of the fabric and uploads them. Step 2, they literally just draw green rectangles around the good fabric and pink rectangles around the tears or discolorations. That's it. That's how you explain to the AI what to look for. Step 3, if the AI learns to spot the big tears but maybe misses a few faint stains, you just take a few more pictures, draw a couple more rectangles, and boom, you've honed its judgment. When you really think about it practically, it is exactly like training a brand new store clerk. You wouldn't hand a new hire a giant textbook of computer code, right? Of course not. You'd point to the shelf and say, hey, this item goes here, or watch out, this is a damaged product. By taking just a couple of hours or maybe a few days to visually adjust this data, any quality inspector, shop owner, baker, or local farmer can build a highly specialized tool that saves real time and real money. You are literally just pointing and clicking to build an AI that monitors your exact inventory. Section 4. Claim your AI wealth. Let's wrap all this up by looking at what this massive technological shift means for the future of your local business and how you can position yourself to win. Guys, the days of sitting back and relying on the high priest of big tech to write your future, those days are coming to an end. AI is generating tremendous wealth, and because these tools are being democratized, the power to build is shifting straight into the hands of your everyday staff. We are entering this incredible new era where every single accountant can build their own custom forecasting model. Every store manager can build a product placement analyzer. Every buyer can completely optimize their supply chain. This ensures that the massive wealth generated by AI isn't just hoarded by a few giant internet monopolies, but is actually spread far and wide across our local main streets and independent businesses. So, as a local retail leader, I want to leave you with a final thought to ponder when you unlock your storefront tomorrow morning. Are you going to stay on the sidelines, waiting around for some generic one-size-fits-all solution that's honestly never going to arrive? Or are you going to take charge and start turning your unique local data into increased annual revenue right now? The tools are finally here, and they are built specifically for you. Start looking at your daily operations not just as a checklist of chores, but as the very data that's going to power your store's future. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.